Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, the laundry is piling up. It's everywhere. It's here, it's upstairs. So I have to do a mega laundry folding today, and I will try to make it as live as possible. I hope that inspires you to do your pending job, because that works for me. It's like therapeutical. If I see someone is doing their chore quickly, power cleaning and all that, I get inspired and I feel like adrenaline rush, and then I just go for it. Further wasting any more time, let's just start. So before I start, I would like to share one thing. I'm gonna go ahead and separate the piles category wise, such as my clothes are in separate place, then towels are in separate place, so that it gets easier. When I'm done, I can just grab one bundle and keep it in their appropriate place. So I always just keep them separate, and that makes my life easier. Let's start. I am trying to do as much as I can because my little one is sleeping and my 3-year-old is in his school. I'm gonna stop talking now and turn on the music. This one is one of my favorites. It is The Night in Your Car by Spazz Cardigan. Okay, it's almost 11 o'clock in the morning. I have to go pick up my son from school, and before that I have to feed my little one because he's also going with me. So I'm just gonna stop right now and I will resume my work when I come back, maybe in 2 hours or so, hopefully. Okay, see you in a bit. Hey, I came back from school and it's almost 1:45. So both kids had lunch, they had showered, and then I put them to bed, and I think the little one is still up because I can hear him. But anyway, I'm just gonna grab a cup of tea because I'm dying for it, and I will stop talking now because I have to finish the laundry tonight and I cannot waste any more time. So let's start. It is 2:20 p.m. The tea break was a little longer than I expected. Both of them are up and they're just relaxing when mom is busy, thank God. It is already 10:30 p.m. I had to take a break from laundry because we all have priorities in life. Finally, both of them are sleeping and I had my dinner. Now I can just finish it without any interruption. By the way, now I'm listening Data Bites by Spazz Cardigan. I always feel positive and energized every time I listen to Spazz Cardigan's music. Okay, I will stop talking now and let you enjoy the amazing music. I really hope your house is not that crazy. The laundry I was folding, that was 3 days of laundry because I was busy doing something else. The moment I thought I'm done, I just realized I have more laundry in my dryer. And I'm not kidding. Do you want to see? Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if it inspired you anyway. See you in my next video. Bye.